Hey everyone, Josh from Double Edge Sharpening. We've got a bunch of RoboCoupe S blades that we got from a culinary arts program at a college in my hometown, and they need sharpening. Let's go. All right, so we're just gonna angle match and raise a burr right across the entire edge of the blade. There we go. That one's raised. And that one's raised. All right, now we're just gonna go touch it on the 240 Scotch-Brite wheel. Bring the burr to the front. Okay, now that we brought that burr to the front, we're just gonna go and do the same thing until that burr is gone on the 600 Scotch-Brite wheel. So we're just gonna kiss it so that that burr comes up. And it'll start to flake off like tinsel. Or like confetti, I guess. I don't know if you can see it starting to flake off a bit. All right, now to finalize it, we're gonna do on the felt wheel. Same thing, get rid of that burr. And then the back side, just to make sure it's gone. All right, should be good. Let's test it out. Okay, ready? There we go. All right, thanks for checking me out. Double Edge Sharpening. Talk to you guys later.